Hello and welcome to Walnut Lodge. This is a project that I've been putting off for probably 2 years now. It's always gone down the bottom of my to-do list because other jobs have been more important. But today is the day for painting the back of the gite. But I have some help. My lovely friends have come over and they're helping me paint the back of the gite. So we're hoping to get 2 coats on in a day, and it's very exciting.
She's already gone. Yeah, so the magnolia finished.
What's Rita?
I couldn't notice.
Yeah, me too. Look, that's my natural level as well. I've been doing that in there, so I'll come on the other side of you. Work down, you work down. Don't put this crappy on the bit.
So we're also painting the pool house. Now the pool house was crepid last, God, when was it? October, November time, and it always looks a bit of a mess. So that's getting a coat of paint as well. So Alan and Maddie are over here. So the first coat is on. That's pretty good coverage. There's a few little patches, but I think the second coat will sort that out.
Andrew!
Oui.
There, that pipe.
What time does he come back?
So we're just finishing off the end of the second coat. A good day's work. So that's just about it for this episode, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.